Welcome back to Lectio. Today, a warning the Trojans should have heeded. Before the gates of Troy stands a towering wooden horse, left behind by the Greeks. The priest, Laocoon, is not deceived. He cries out, Timeo Danaos et dona ferentes. I fear the Greeks, even when they bring gifts. He hurls his spear, and it shudders deep in the hollow flank. But from the calm sea rise two enormous serpents, gliding through the waves toward the shore. They seize Laocoon and his two young sons, and crush them in their coils. The Trojans, struck with terror, believe it a sign from the gods, and drag the horse within their walls. Read the passage yourself, line by line, in Virgil's own Latin. Now, let's read Laocoon's warning together, in the original Latin. Equo ne credite, taucri. Quid id est. Timeo Danaos et dona ferentis. Equo ne credite, teucri. Quid id est. Timeo Danaos et dona ferentis. Ecce autem, gemini a tenedo, tranquilla peralta, immensis orbibus angues incumbunt pelago, pariterque ad litora tendunt. Illi agmine certo Laocoonta petunt, et primum parva duorum corpora natorum serpens amplexus uterque implicat. Post ipsum corripiunt, spirisque ligant ingentibus, clamores simul horrendos ad sidera tollit. Read the classics yourself, free, at lectioread.com.